as being a youth, this is my humble request to you guys. Just spread these kind of awareness among peoples, because you are youth, and this is your duty. That's why I'm delivering this. That as being a youth, this is my duty. This is my priority to make everyone understand that what is the importance of education.
You must welcome in Global Spoken English.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ranjan.
Good afternoon.
I belong to Amila, and I have done post-graduation from City National PG College, Ahmedabad. And now I'm here to deliver something in front of you guys. And as being a youth, this is very important to know something. It is not important to know something, but it is very important to aware about something. Being a youth, this is our responsibility to be aware and spread awareness. So on that basis, I would like to give some points of awareness of education. What is the importance of education? So look, there are different sayings and definition of importance of education, but there is one thing that I have understood till my this journey, till my this life, that education is the best or greatest or strongest weapon that can change one's life drastically. No, because there are several examples that we have in front of us that they have changed their own life as well as the life of several others, the life of countries even. And those people are such as Mahatma Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, and there are many more great people who have changed their life. Not their lives, I'm saying wrong, who have changed the life of entire nation. So I'm here to make you understand that it is not important or it is not possible to be everybody APJ Abdul Kalam or Mahatma Gandhi. But everybody has their own dream, everybody has their own desire, own will to do something. Somebody has desire to become a teacher, somebody wants to be a IAS officer, somebody wants to be an constable or anything. Everybody has their own desire or dream to become something. So that how can you achieve that? It is only with the help of education. Got it? Okay. So, and there are several live examples of a good employment and good education. Like in our country, Kerala is on the top number in terms of education, with having 94% of education percentage in that state. So that the positive sign or effect of education can be visible directly in that state, in terms of less population, in terms of less female fertility. There are different things that are very good in that state. And if we compare the state that is called Bihar, the education percentage over there is a bit less, no, compared to other states of our country. So that the other, like the population of that state, the other things like female fertility, these kind of things are a bit higher in that state. And why it is happening? Only because of the lackness of education. This is very simple and direct learning that we can just take from these two examples. If you are learning, if you are getting educated, if you are focusing on education, you can change your own life, your own entire life. You can get different kind of respect. You will get respected, you will give respect, you will get respect. This is a quotation. If you give respect, you will get. If you give respect, you will get respect. And why and how you will learn this? Only with the help of education. And there are several things also, like education will not only change you, but it will change your behavior, your way of thinking, your way of earning money even. No? And this is fact. Nowadays, if we talk about education, everybody thinks that it is only important for earning money. No, it is not important for only earning money. It is important to live your life happily. By that way, you will learn how to respect or how to get respect or how to behave with others. And there are many more things that you will get only with the help of education. Okay, so this is the importance of education, and that's all from my point of view. And as being a youth, this is my humble request to you guys: just spread these kind of awareness among peoples, because you are youth, and this is your duty. That's why I'm delivering this. That as being a youth, this is my duty. This will be my priority to make everyone understand that what is the importance of education, because it is needed. Okay, for personal, professional, and all kind of life. Thank you so much for listening.